Hello? 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 Anybody there? Anybody there? Anybody there? Stop copying me! Stop copying me! Stop copying me! Fearfacer's more muscular than Bicep Brian.
Bicep Brian's more muscular than Fearfacer. Fearfacer.
Oh yeah? Well, you're just Oh, hello boys and girls. You kind of caught me at a weird time. You see, I went on a treasure hunt to find Homer's long-lost honey jar, and now I'm lost. Do you hear that? It sounds like water. I bet my ship's nearby. It's just a couple stalactites dripping. That's actually how they're made. When water travels from the ground into a cave, each little drop carries a tiny little mineral called calcite. After years and years of dripping, the calcite hardens and creates this icicle-looking thing called a stalactite. The spiky thing pointing upwards from the ground is called a stalagmite. Oh hey, this tunnel seems promising. Hello? Bats! Phew. Although you should always give them their space, in case they have rabies. I've learned that bats are more afraid of us than we are of them. And instead of pirates, they prefer eating insects and fruit for the most part. In fact, if it weren't for bats, we'd probably be overrun with insects. On average, bats eat about 1,000 bugs an hour. Do you hear that chirping? That's the sound of bats using echolocation, which helps them see in the dark. Despite popular belief, most bats aren't blind, and their echolocation ability, combined with their eyesight, is what makes them such great hunters. Echolocation works by the bat making a high-pitched noise, creating a sound wave which bounces off objects and back into its ears, telling them where things are. Echolocation? That's what I'll use to get out of this cave. Let's see. I just need to make a high-pitched noise and follow the echo. That's like the worst thing I ever kissed. Well, almost the worst thing. Well, thanks to some quick thinking, I was able to make it out of the cave without getting eaten by a bear. But I can't say the same thing for the honey jar. So kids, the lesson here is to never go into a cave alone, to stay away from bats, to never kiss a bear, and to never park your ship in a cave that you can't turn around in.